Google just launched VO3, the new text-to-video model, and it feels like Hollywood is in danger. This AI doesn't just create high-quality cinematic videos, it adds sound effects, background music, and even perfectly lip-synced dialogues for your characters.
Ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
I didn't do it! I didn't kill your family! Please stop this now!
You hate me as much as you hate my mom! You crossed the line this time!
I still hear you crying in my dreams.
We have been married for 60 years. We never sleep without solving our problems first.
I tried learning the bagpipes once, nearly got evicted. Even the cat moved out.
He always says my cooking is not good, but he finishes everything. He knows I make the most delicious food ever.
Pineapple? On this? That's not pizza, that's a crime scene.
I should have called. Just once. That's all she ever wanted.
You really thought you could stop me with that broken sword?
In this family, loyalty isn't a choice. It's your blood. You go against that, you don't come back.
You said forever, and I believed you. Now forever's just...
Welcome to a non-existent car show. Let's see some opinions.
I mean, man, the acceleration is crazy. You look far, step on the pedal, and you are there.
I feel safe with him in an SUV, and it seems to be like the right type of car for him.
I think the range is only going to get better. Sorry.
We don't want to drive gas cars anymore.
Yeah, no more gas cars.
You can see I'm kind of a misfit here, but don't tell anyone. I've just bought an electric car.
I think it's really great for families and for little babies with all the safety features that these SUVs have.
But what you're really seeing is that technology is going to be very, very important in terms of how we go forward.
It was great to come to the conference because my husband loves cars.
I think I have to buy an EV now. I love my muscle cars, but
I try to stay as healthy as I can so I can make it to the next car show.
yeah.